In today's video, we are going to be learning about how to divide fractions. Let's get right into the video. Yep, so today we're going to use the example problem of 6 over 5 divided by 5 over 3. How would you figure this out? Take a guess. Maybe 6 divided by 5, 5 divided by 4, and we'll get your answer? No. Can you tell me the 3 letters that will help us solve this? Well, it's simple. C, C, F. Well, it's simple. Curly chicken fries, right? No, silly. It's copy, change, flip. Oh. What do you want to know why? 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 So, we have 6 over 5. What's our first step? C? Curly. No! How many times do I have to tell you? It's copy, change, flip. First word is copy. We're going to copy the 6 over 5 and put it here. We have 6 over 5. Next is change. Division. Okay, multiplication, because option of division is multiplication. Then we have to flip. 5 over 4. The reciprocal of 5 over 4 is 4 over 5. So, what we're trying to say is 6 over 5 is the same. 6 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 is the same as 6 over 5 divided by 5 over 4. Crazy, right? I know. Now, it's simple. Click in that top right-hand corner to see how to multiply fractions. But right now, we're just going to give you the answer. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 5 is 25. Our answer is 24 over 25. You can't simplify it. You can't turn it into a mixed number because it's not an improper fraction. So our answer is 24 out of 25. Let's do one more practice problem. Okay, so now let's try this problem, shall we? Yes. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is you're going to pause the video and take some time to answer this problem. Okay, so let's go over the answer. We're going to use our curly chicken fries method. No. It's copy, change, and flip. Okay, thank you for the help. Let's do it. 4 over 6, we're going to copy that. Division 10, we're going to change that to multiplication. And then what's the last thing we have to do? We're going to flip it. How? We're going to say 4 over 3 instead of 3 over 4. Because 4 over 3 is the reciprocal of 3 over 4. Now solve regular multiplication. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 3 is 18. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. This is our answer, 8 over 9. So that technically means that 4 over 6 divided by 3 over 4 equals 8 over 9. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, I get it. So you keep the first one, flip the sign, and flip the last fraction. Right.
Exactly! Thank you so much for watching.